And we're back with another video. Welcome back to my Top Films Project Integra, everybody. So today we got to fix the engine up because we got a track day coming up in about 27 days or so. So I've been meaning to fix this for a while, but I never got around to it and I never had time off. And today it's like Wednesday, my first day off. So I was like, you know what? Let's just tackle this now, get it out of the way. That way it's done and I won't have any more problems. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so here is my crappy engine bay. I have leaks everywhere. So my power steering pump's leaking. That's been leaking since I bought the car. What else is leaking? I mean, I think this is leaking right here. And I think I fixed everything else. Yeah, I fixed everything else. But there was a lot of leaks before, once I did the swap. But today we're going to be focusing on this zip tie right here that all you guys keep bothering me about. And that's actually not the problem. This thing doesn't move because there's two bolts holding it in on the side. And then there's this missing bolt right here is held in with the zip tie to keep it, you know, just to keep it aligned so I can mark it. But that's not the problem. The problem is back here. So I don't think I ever showed you guys this, but the cam cap bolt the cam cap right here, it leaks from right here because I can't tighten it down because the hole inside is stripped. Also, you know, I just put what's it called, RTV, like right here and all up here. It looks disgusting, I know. And I did this because, you know, I didn't have time to fix this because I would have to take this to the machine shop so they can heli coil it, and you know, I don't have a spare car. But today I'm using my mom's car, so I actually can go somewhere and get this fixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark the Dizzy right here so I know where to put it when I get it back. And then we should be leak free, and I can change the valve cover over from this color to the other one. Alright, the valve cover's off. I'm a little nervous, and one of the reasons is because when I was doing this last time, when I was putting the new cam seals in, I think like two of these bolts, like I didn't hear them click when I was torquing them down, and I just kind of like I guess I just kept tightening, and then I didn't hear it snap, but I heard it just like it sounded like it was like stretching or something. So like I don't know how this is gonna go. That's one of the reasons why I put this off, because if I snap one of these right now, we're gonna be out for the count for a little while. So hopefully all goes well putting these back in. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off now, so let's see what happens. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I already knew this was gonna happen going into this. That's why I put it off for so long. But this is just stupid. So I don't even know how I'm supposed to fix this. I'm gonna go inside, do some research, and go from there, I guess. I gotta get it out using these. So drill bit as a pilot hole, and then the extractor right here. So here's my center punch. I'm gonna go ahead and get a hammer. Man, I really hope this works, but if not, it's game over, man. I'm going to be out of commission for a while. Yeah, had to take the head off. I destroyed a lot of stuff in the process getting this off. I already ordered another head gasket. I'm going to need a dowel pin. I somehow lost an ARP washer. What else? I think that was it. Oh, and I still need a bolt. So I gotta order that too. So I'm gonna be off the road for a little bit in the car. I also am getting this fixed, that way, you know, I can put on the red valve cover and not have so many leaks. So I'm gonna head over to my machine shop right now. They just opened up about 20 minutes ago. So when they fix it, because they should fix it, I should be good to go, and I'll start slapping everything back together. Well, I can't even slap everything back together because I don't have the head gasket yet, or the dowel pin. So I gotta get those, and then I can slap the head on, and then we can start to put everything back together. But this just sucks.
Alright, welcome back. So it has been 2 days or 3 days since my last post in here in this video, and the last thing you guys saw was me, I think, putting the head in the Jeep. So I got the head back. They did their thing. They got it out. I don't even want to talk about what happened. Basically, I'm just gonna talk about it. Basically, I tried to get it easy out and take out the bolt, and the easy out snapped. I'm guessing I used the wrong size for the easy out. That's what somebody said on Instagram, so I guess that was my fault. But they drilled it out, they helicoiled it, and they helicoiled my my distributor, so no more using a zip tie. And yeah, so it's back in my office room or whatever, the computer room right there, sitting and waiting to be put on. But right now we are cleaning up this right here. So it looks pretty bad. Right now what I'm doing is draining out the coolant all in here, basically an entire block. There's a little drain plug right there. And I went to my job today and picked up this washer, this crush washer. It's not in focus. So I picked up this crush washer, and they still use these for like 2016, 2017, 2018 Acuras and Hondas. So, I mean, you could just pick this up. They should already have it in stock. Here's the part number right there. So I'm gonna go put that on right now with the bolt and screw it back on. And from here, basically what I'm gonna do, all I'm really gonna do from here today is just pretty much clean everything up. Let's see, clean everything up, try to get those studs out, and try to clean out all these holes for the studs. I was gonna put the head on today, but I'll just do that tomorrow because I'm still waiting on one washer, one ARP washer. Somehow I lost it. I don't know, I lost it somehow. So I had to 2-day air a ARP washer like this big for $20. It's crazy. So I'm waiting on that. That won't be here till Tuesday, so that's when I'll be able to actually finish everything. But I'm gonna pretty much do as much as I can tomorrow, and then we should be good. So yeah, I managed to get it back up and running. I took it to work yesterday. Everything was good. Oil level's good. No leakage. The car's running right. It's not knocking. It's not doing anything crazy. So a lot has happened putting this thing back together. I was having timing issues. I couldn't line up the timing right. My cam seal started leaking, so I had to take the ones I had from AutoZone out and put new ones in because I put RTV all over them. And now, I don't know if you can, you probably can't see under there. I pretty much caked RTV all in those holes so it can never leak again unless I take it out, which is, normally the case whenever you have to replace cams. You might as well do the cam seals too. Trying to think what else. Distributor's good. My throttle cable's a little loose, so I gotta adjust that. I'm also gonna change over the valve cover to the red one when I get new engine hardware, because this one is just like really bad and it leaks just a little bit, not too much. So I figured I'd fix that. I'm getting a new intake soon. I'm getting a new radiator soon and a fan. I already have the 2 hoses. I'm getting rid of the power steering because this thing doesn't even work, and it's leaking. But that's pretty much it. This was a kind of a long process, and I couldn't have done it while working at Domino's because I would have lost so much money. So yeah, kind of glad I got this new job, and I'm actually able to work on my car. I have a track day coming up May 18th at NJMP, or New Jersey Motorsports Parkway. If you're in the area and you want to come do some track days, go there because I'll be there. That's where I'm going to test the car, and I'm probably going to get it tuned a little before then because, I was looking at my dyno graph and the waves were a little spiky. I might get it tuned just a little bit. It's not going to cost that much money, and I feel like I should do it anyway just to make sure this thing doesn't, knock or blow up, while I'm in the higher RPMs, just to be safe. But that's pretty much it. I figured I'd go ahead and start it up one more time so you guys can hear it, and cut the video there.
Okay, day 3. You guys are gonna yell at me, but I forgot to put the the IACV connector back in, so now it should just start fine. There we go.